Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select the draw, adjust the color black, select the 3D shape, adjust the color. Then select the sticker, duplicate the sticker, adjust the shape star, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.